Today I'm going to show you how to turn a fairly thin yarn like this, which is a sock yarn, into a chunky yarn of 3 thicknesses, like that, without having to cut the yarn and divide it into balls. It's something which some people call Navajo plying. Strange name, but I'm going to show you how to do it. And I've made this little heart out of this yarn with 3 strands held together using this technique. So let me just show you how it works. First thing I'm going to do is just lay out the beginning of the yarn, 3 strands. Here's my end. Just going to grab those. So that's maybe what, about 8 stitches, 8 inches. I'm going to just make a slip knot to start using all 3 strands. There we go. And put my hook. It can be knitting or it can be crochet, whatever you want to do, and close up the slip stitch. Now that bit there with the tail and that loop is my start. This is my main yarn. Now I've got 3 thicknesses up until about here. So when you reach that loop, all you have to do is put your fingers through the loop, grab the yarn and pull as long as you want. I'll just grab hold of that, and you've now got a yarn of 3 thicknesses all the way along. And you might say, oh well, there's a bit of a join there, but it's not noticeable at all. So if I just work some chains, probably should have a bigger hook for this, but never mind. You can see that you're using a lovely thicker version of this gorgeous yarn. And it doesn't matter if you miss the odd catch, which I'm doing here because my hook's not that big enough, really. And you can work through. And then when you get to the point where you're close to the loop again, just do the same thing. Reach through, grab, and extend. And that is Navajo plying.